Here's the new display that I ordered for my LG G6. This display does not work properly. I had this installed in the phone yesterday. I booted the phone up, made sure it was fully charged, and it would not display anything. I ensured that it was hooked up properly. The backlight would come on for a short time, and then it started to get extremely hot down in this area. I don't know if that was the bottom row of LEDs or if it was one of these chips on this ribbon cable right here. But either way, that got extremely hot. I had to disconnect the battery, take the screen out, and I have since reconnected this screen to the phone, and the only thing that I notice it doing is the bottom row of backlights turning on. You can look down through there and see them come on, but the display just remains blank, and I know the phone is booted up. I'm going to connect it in just a second here to show you exactly what it does. Okay, the display is now connected properly. That's on there good. I already pressed the button and woke the phone up from sleep mode, and as you can see, there's nothing displayed. If you do the double tap thing that LG has where you can turn the screen on by double tapping, it doesn't work. If I press the power button, nothing happens, and I can already feel it getting warm down here at the bottom again.